In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify or reduce fractions to lowest terms using factor trees and changing factors into prime numbers. Let's start with an easy fraction, 12/16. So what we'll do is we'll factorize 12 and 16 using the tree method. Remember, we're going to create branches, and the goal is to get to all of the prime numbers that make up 12. So in this case, we have 2 times 2 times 3. This will equal 12, and all of these factors are in prime form. Now, if I look at 16 and do the same thing, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2. So all of these factors are prime. Okay, now what we're going to do is write them, and I'll write them over here. For 12, we have 2 times 2 times 3. For 16, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You can see that we have some common factors, and we can reduce or simplify by eliminating those common factors. Notice that I'm eliminating a 2 on the top with a 2 on the bottom. And I get to do that twice. What's left will be our reduced fraction. I have a 3 left, and 2 times 2, and that gives me 4. So 12/16 reduced to lowest terms will give you 3/4. Let's work with a larger fraction. Here I have 720 over 8,100. Again, I'm going to make factor trees. I know that this ends in a 0, so I'm going to break it up as 10 times 72. I need to break up both 10 and the 72 because neither one is a prime number. And I could go 8 times 9, or you could find other factors that go in there. This becomes 2 times 4 and 2 times 2. Notice that I keep breaking it up until I get a prime number, and I stop when I get a prime number. Now there's a lot of numbers in this tree, and so I want to look at all the ends of the branches. So for instance, this is prime, and all of these are prime. And notice how they're hanging off the branches. Okay, they don't have additional branches hanging off of them. So let me go ahead and create do a tree for 8100, and I'll do that in a different color. I'm going to say that we have 100 times 81, and I could go 4 times 25, and that will give me these factors here. And then 9 times 9 is 81, and then that will bring me to my prime numbers. of 3. Okay, so this one isn't all over the place. You can see that all of these circled factors are prime numbers. So like the last problem, we're going to list all of the factors for each term and then cancel out common factors. So for 720, I have 2, and it doesn't matter if it's in order. I am going to write all the 2's together first. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then, so I'm going to cross those out. I have 2 3's and a 5. So 2 3's and then a 5. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Now for 8100, I have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. And then I'm going to cancel my common factors. I don't have any more 2's here, but I have some 3's and I have a 5. Now what's left, and I'll write that out, I've got 2 times 2 over 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, now we're simplifying. 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9, times 5 is 45. So the reduced fraction of 720 over 8100, or 8100, is going to be 4/45. And that's how you would reduce or simplify using factor trees.